Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another rack store pickup. And if this is your first time finding this channel, my name is Gerard. And on this channel, we talk about all things fragrances. And we do videos like I am doing today, which is my rack store pickup. I usually drop one of these a week. I go into TJ Maxx, Burlington, Marshalls, and try to find fantastic fragrances on discount. So if that is content that you think you want to see more of, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on bell notifications so you are updated whenever I upload new content. I would truly appreciate it. I got two fragrances for today, so I'm going to show the footage from the store. Thank you, Mrs. G. My wife, my better half, was able to find both of these at TJ Maxx for me. I never see these at TJ Maxx, so I had her grab them. After that footage, I will jump into it. I will try both on skin and ultimately let you guys know if these are any good and worth your money. So let's get into the video. So as you can see from the footage, my wife was able to grab two fragrances, thankfully, from TJ Maxx. And those fragrances are Royalty by Maluma. And again, I've never seen these at the store. I have Garnet and Onyx. Now, both of these were eau de parfum. They're both eau de parfum concentrations. They're both 30 mLs, and they were both $19.99. So $19.99, not a bad price for a 30 ml, especially with a fragrance that could be popping up around you guys in TJ Maxx's, and you might be looking at it like, let me give it a try. Now, I will say, I didn't know who Maluma was. He is a singer. He's from Medellin, Colombia. I had no idea who he was. I checked out some of his music. Not too bad. He's a singer. He does have a song called Coco Loco, so if someone wants to let Zaharoff know, he has a fragrance called Coco Loco. I don't know. Maybe there's a friendship that could be made there. Nonetheless, let's jump into it. I'm going to start with Onyx, let you guys know my thoughts, and if this is something that you might want to check out. So here we have the bottle, and you have this sort of M here representing Maluma. You know, guys, I don't know why. I'm always skeptical of celebrity fragrances. So I guess, you know, I don't know. I think a lot of times it is a money grab, and they're just tossing a celebrity's name on a fragrance to try to, you know, pick up sales. So I don't know, but let's check out the atomizer. I'm going into this with limited expectations. Not terrible, not a bad atomizer. I'm going to put this right on skin. Okay, in the air already, pleasant, sweet. Wow, okay. Not too bad. Let's see what it does on skin here. It smells sweet, warm, a little spicy, some vanilla in there. Okay, off of skin, it's also a little bit fruity, a little bit aromatic, along with that sweetness and that warm and spicy. It's really nice. Wow, this is impressive. I wasn't expecting this. It smells of really good quality. It's an eau de parfum concentration, as I said. It actually has a little bit of punch to it. It smells like this one might last, but that's, who knows, a $19.90, you know, $20 fragrance. It remains to be seen, but there's something in here that's really sort of intoxicating. It has that citrus fruitiness, could be mandarin orange. It's subtle, but with the vanilla note here and some other elements adding that warmth and that spice, really nice. I'd be curious to see what the notes are in here. It's also a little woody, very creamy. Wow, this is a surprise. I was not expecting this. It smells of really great quality. It is reminding me possibly of something from like the 1 Million line, so it's similar to those types of fragrances. And again, those aromatic touches. So there is something synthetic about it, but I like it. I think it's the fruitiness. I think whatever is lending that sweet, citrusy type vibe it's really concentrated. It smells a little synthetic, but overall, I'm really pleased with a $20 fragrance being this good right from the get. Yeah, not too bad at all. I'm gonna jump into Garnet and see what I get from that, and then just kind of go back and forth and see how this scent changes. So Onyx, first impressions, not bad, really nice. Maluma Garnet, we have this burgundy, this deep, rich red bottle, which I really like. The other one was black. The bottles aren't bad. Obviously with a 30 ml, it's a little, it's tiny. There's a little guy. It might not come across on camera, but they're small. But I like them. They feel of pretty good quality. Plastic cap, obviously, but I like the little details. So not bad. Let's check out the atomizer. I'm guessing it's similar to the Onyx. Yep, very similar to the Onyx. So get a little on skin. Okay. This is ultra fresh, aromatic, picking up lavender and super clean, reminding me already a lot of Lacoste L1212 Blanc. Yeah, this is through and through L1212 Blanc. So it's been done before. It's going to be a very familiar fragrance to you. However, this might even be a little bit stronger of a scent than the L1212. This, again, keep in mind, this is an eau de parfum concentration. So it does smell a bit more prominent off of my skin. I'd be curious to see what type of longevity I get from this. It's also has this earthiness to it. Really clean, refreshing, a little bit aquatic, lavender, and maybe some florals in there as well. Super fresh, super fresh. So this is their fresh fragrance, and Onyx is the warm and spicy night out. So you would be covered. If you were to get these two fragrances, you can use Garnet during the day, fresh, go to class, go to the office, kind of all arounder, day-to-day type wear. And then you have your Onyx for evenings out, date night. So I like what they did here in terms of having all their bases covered. They do remind me of other things. You're getting an eau de parfum concentration for $20, and they smell of great quality. They don't smell cheap, slightly synthetic, but they're cheap and they're not bad. So I'd be curious again with longevity and performance. I always wear the fragrances that I pick up in the rack stores that week and talk about them more in my weekly wears video. So if that is something you'd be curious to watch, I drop those videos every single Monday. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Again, I will talk about these in my weekly wears video. Just for curiosity, I'm going to take a quick look at the notes. Garnet, let's see what's in here. So the notes for Garnet from Royalty by Maluma. Top notes are lavender, pink pepper. Mid notes are ginger, elemi, and geranium. And the base notes are vetiver, olibanum, and patchouli. And the notes for Onyx from Royalty by Maluma. Top notes are cardamom, pear, and bergamot. Mid notes are cinnamon, plum, and clove leaf. And the base notes are vanilla, iris, and cedar. Going back to the Onyx, the plum obviously is that fruit I was picking up. I would imagine a tough note to get right because it is a synthetic note. I don't think plums have oil in them. If they do, I apologize. Highly doubt that. So it's a synthetic note. It's constructed and built in a lab. And it does smell synthetic, but I'm understanding it a little better now. Or it could be that pear. It's nothing, neither one of those fruits would jump out to me. So I don't think it's super authentic smelling, but it is fruity and it's sweet and it's nice. Mixed with that cardamom adds a really nice touch. I think of the two, my favorite is the Onyx. This has been sort of done a million times. I would say there's better interpretations of it. It is, again, reminding me of the Lacoste. But I think for the money in an eau de parfum concentration, if I had to say today, these are both really nice options. If you guys are on a severe budget, trying to save money and have all your bases covered in terms of fragrance, these could be good options, especially for new collectors, people that are just starting out in the hobby. These would sort of fit that role. If you've been collecting for a while longer and you have a ton of fragrances, these aren't going to be ones that you probably want to add. They smell like other things. They smell like the 1 million that you already own, or they smell like the Lacoste you already own. So just keep that in mind. That's all I have today, guys. I would love to know what your thoughts are on either one of these fragrances. Have you tried them? Have you seen them around? I would love to know. Drop it in the comment section down below. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.